Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I hope you all are having a wonderful, beautiful day. And today we have us a wellness box, and it is the Hemp Crate Company. Yes, this is a box that is going to be full of CBD type wellness products that I will be able to try out and use. This is my second box. I ordered 3 boxes, like 3 months worth. It is a monthly subscription and it runs $49.99 a month. And today we are going to look inside here. We are guaranteed $125 value of these wellness products to help us. And we are going to pop in here. It says dive into this crate, and we've got jokes. Sloths can only clap sarcastically. 2 things you never get at a gas station: your dinner, your CBD. Still blows my mind that the snow inside a snow globe never melts. Dirty laundry is meant to be placed in baskets, not on Facebook. Now that we've figured out hand washing, maybe next is there versus there. People who take care of chickens are quite literally chicken tenders. My favorite philosopher of all times has to be unknown. And the only way hemp can get you high is if you make a rope and climb it. So it's just reminding you that this is a product that is for health and wellness. It is not a high product. And we are going to look on the inside here and give you a little sneak peek. We're going to probably get 6 items or so. I don't know that we get a product card. I can't remember. I do know we get some offers. Like if you're interested in this type of CBD Genfort for the immune support, they have a 50% off entire order. You can screen click that. We've got ready to reorder, take 20% off with code. And these are apparently some other products that I have not tried, but if you've tried them and it's something that you're interested in, then just, you're welcome to use that code. Now, like I said, this is a wellness box. Well, there's no card this month. I will say so far I've been a little bit disappointed because when I purchased this, I was under the impression it was going to send me like an information card to tell me a little bit more and educate me about hemp. And I'm not sure that this is what I would consider a product card and or my education, because it says we've got jokes. And my health is not a joke, so I'm not too happy about that. I'm just going to have to wing this because I don't know anything about these products. I do use CBD oil, and I have for years, and it's very safe for you. And the last box I had some gummies that had melatonin in it, and I had some snacks that were really good. Now, I couldn't tell, there's no high or anything like that, so it wasn't like I was getting high. The only thing that these products can do is help relax, just like valerian can, that is an herb. Just like magnesium can, that's a mineral. So it is like a mineral herb type plant-based product that can help you relax, and it's not meant to make you high. So this here I'm just going to go with, it's lavender, and it's an odor removing spray, and it smells like lavender. It says removes cannabis smoke odors using natural active ingredients. And I don't smoke cannabis, so this is totally something that I would not need to use. But guys, if you're somebody out there that does that, and I know it's legal in several states, it is not legal here in Texas. So, and even if it was, I wouldn't be using it. And not that I am totally against it, it's just that I just do not use cannabis at all in that fashion. I don't smoke any of that stuff. But anyways, our next item, I guess it's BB Butler, and this is a hemp company, an extra strength cannabinoid rich full spectrum oil, and this is 3,000 milligrams of CBD oil. So once again, on these products, I don't know if they're going to be something that I take as a serum or if I put on my body. This says it's a full spectrum oil and it's extra strength. It says suggested uses is take 1 dropper full, and that is 100 milligrams of CBD oil orally per day, and adjust dosage as needed. And it says to shake well. So this here must be just like a regular CBD oil. It's just a different company. Now CBD oils can be good for a lot of different things. If you've got minor aches and pains and arthritis, they can be good for that. My husband has Parkinson's, and we have like a health store here, and the herbalist there says that CBD oil will help with that for the nerve centers and the pain. So there's many things that it can be used for. It says on the back here that it's Butler Hemp Company produces exceptional pharmacist-developed and formulated products made from the highest quality, locally sourced premium hemp company. So, and I'm sure that's important, because if you are buying this, you do want it to work, especially if you're having problems. Now this here is called Plain Jane, and it's a cool relief CBD oil roll-on. Now my husband has pain. He has Parkinson's pain, and so I'm talking about the pain is there, and it's actually coming from your mind, and I don't know how to exactly describe it, but it is part of Parkinson's, and he has a lot of pain. So this roll-on pain, he can put wherever the pain is. I mean, it travels. Today he woke up and he said both his arms hurt right on each side. Sometimes he wakes up and his left leg's hurting and his right arm's hurting. Sometimes his hips hurting and then his foot's hurting. So it just moves around. He has pain all the time, off and on. So I know he'll be very interested in trying this. It says it's a cooling relief, and we will definitely try this on his pain, because I'm almost certain that that's what it's going to help with. Now the next item that I'm seeing here is a wellness package. It's 10 milligrams of CBD, and it's 15 milligrams of pure moon beta glucan, and there's 10 strips in there. And I will tell you, I had strips in my last box, and you would take those at night. You just put them under your tongue, and they were very soothing. They tasted fine. And of course I didn't get high, but as far as sleeping, I have noticed that I'm sleeping better, and that's good, because there was a while I was waking up every couple of hours. So it does help you with your sleep. This here is Solace CBDV plus CBG equals bliss. Now I don't understand all those numbers and things. It says it's 33 milligrams of THC free, so THC free means that it does not have anything to make you high, and it's pure hemp oil, pure watermelon. So there's 5 vegan fruit chews. So I wonder what that looks like. Let's take a look. A fruit chew just makes me think, is it going to be like a gummy? Yeah, it's going to be like a gummy. It looks like this, and I am going to try this because I got gummies in the last one and they were really good. Tastes like watermelon. Okay. Interesting. They do have a coupon on back if this is something of interest to you. You can scan that QR code and get 50% off. Like I said, I don't know much about any of this, other than I know that CBD oil is very beneficial to a lot of people, and it also helps like with arthritis, pain, and things like that. Now our next product is an immune gut health, and this here may be good for my son. He has problems with gastronomical problems where he'll eat and then it just seems like nothing helps him. So this might be something good. And I will tell you, it has ginger root in there. It says concentrated ginger root. So now in my mind, from being a wellness person, an herbalist type person, ginger is a product that soothes the stomach already. So how much of this is going to be CBD that's doing the soothing, or how much of it's going to be the ginger? I don't know. And I always question that, because last time they had melatonin for sleep aid with the CBD oil, and of course you're going to have sleep aid with melatonin. That's exactly what it does. It helps you restore your sleep patterns. So, and then we had bath salts, and it had high doses of magnesium, which that's exactly what you need for that. So I mean, like, there's some oxymorons on exactly how much of what is helping. I can just say that since they're putting this together, they're probably going to say you're going to have an even better gut health. Now, I don't know if there's anything specific on here. There's 60 capsules. It's 900 milligrams CBD per bottle. It says, we believe in the promise of CBD, high quality CBD, the wisdom of plants made from the USA, grown hemp, and over 25 years of experience exploring the promise and possibilities. And you take 1 capsule twice daily with food as needed or store in a cool, dry place. So, I mean, that just sounds like basic information there, and it says with food. So, if you're having problems with your stomach, and you take this, the way I understand it, it's going to help. That is a good thing. If you're someone out there that's suffering from gut health, this could be a good thing to check into. And that's all I can tell you because I haven't personally used it. Now, the last thing that I have here is a sparkling beverage with 20 milligrams of full spectrum hemp, and this is raspberry lime. And that sounds very interesting. It's a sparkling beverage, just got better. Whenever you're looking to relax after a hard day of work, unwind from the day's stress, or simply enjoy a delicious, refreshing drink, Kowa's hemp-infused beverage are proof that sacrificing on taste is never an option. So I guess it's going to taste really good, and I have never drank anything like this, but I will try it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and chill it down. It may be a nice, refreshing drink. And if, you know, I have several stressful days sometimes, you know, just so much to do. Puppies are doing this and doing that. And then I have other things I have to do, but the puppies need, you know, their attention first. And then I have to catch up with whatever else I have to do. So there's just lots of things going on, not to mention cooking dinner and doing any kind of cleaning that I can get done. So yeah, stress, this could be a good thing. But that is my box. And like I said, I'm getting this for 3 months. I have one more box coming, and we'll see what they have in there. So that was my box. We had the coupons, we had the gut health, and this is a concentrated with ginger, which I'm pretty sure that is going to help your gut, just based on having that in there as well. We got our full spectrum hemp raspberry lime drink, which sounds really nice. We got these Solus CBDV plus CBD equals bliss, so I'm not real sure about that. I'm thinking this is something that you probably want to take before you go to bed. We got these wellness strips that help you calm down and relax, and we got this Plain Jane. This is a cool relief roll-on, and I'm sure that's going to give you like a menthol-y type feel. I'm going to rub some on there real quick. Yeah, I feel the coolness already. And my husband, like I said, he's really going to like this. He's going to like trying out some of these other things for pain, because this says extra strength. So that might help him with his Parkinson's pain. I hope so. But that is what I have. We have the roll-on, and we have the Butler's Extra Strength Full Spectrum CBD Oil. And then we have our Cannabis, which I don't need. But as far as just using it for a room spray, okay, yeah, I can have lavender around all day long. And it does smell good. But if you're someone that needs to get out smoke odors, maybe even for cigarettes, you might could try this. It's called Cannabis in lavender. Oh, it just seems so silly. But that is my hemp crate for the month of February. What do you think? Are any of these products something that you would try? I would try them. I would say in this package what my 2 favorites are going to be, because I'm hoping this will help my husband. I think it's going to be this and the gut health for my son, and I think this CBD oil for my husband because it's extra strength. So those are my favorites. You let me know if you have a favorite. Let me know if this is something that you would be interested in. I will have links down in my description if you are interested in the hemp crate. I got it through cratejoy.com, and it's $49.99 a month. And that is what I have today. So be sure and look in my descriptions for any giveaways and any collaborations that are going on. As for today and the hemp crate, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.